On. Load freeze, load, displacement drive, out, displacement, check, forward, check, bank, check, gyros, on, four angles, 221, trim switches, auto, right sensors, -6, all push, good, purple throttle control, pilot, ready for takeoff. Roger, switching to takeoff now. On in takeoff. Good set, +1.
In the late 1970s, the United States Navy introduced a fleet of vessels that would redefine naval speed and agility, the Pegasus-Class Hydrofoils. Developed in collaboration with the Boeing company, these ships were a part of a NATO initiative aimed at creating fast, agile, and heavily armed hydrofoils for coastal and shallow water operations. The Pegasus-Class hydrofoils, also known as the PHM, Patrol Hydrofoil Missile Class, were renowned for their impressive speeds. Capable of reaching up to 48 knots, approximately 55 miles per hour, these vessels could outpace many of their contemporaries. At the heart of their speed was their innovative hydrofoil technology. These wing-like structures, mounted under the hull, lifted the vessel out of the water as it gained speed, significantly reducing drag and enhancing maneuverability. Measuring about 133 feet in length and with a beam of 28.5 feet, the Pegasus-Class hydrofoils displaced around 255 tons when fully loaded. Their compact size and lightweight design were crucial for their high-speed performance. Despite their relatively small size, these hydrofoils were heavily armed. Each vessel boasted 8 RGM-84 Harpoon anti-ship missiles, a 76mm OTO Melara cannon mounted forward, and twin 50 caliber machine guns, making them formidable opponents in coastal and littoral combat scenarios. A typical crew complement for a Pegasus-Class hydrofoil consisted of 21 personnel, including both officers and enlisted sailors. Their training and expertise were vital for the effective operation of these advanced vessels. During their operational period, the Pegasus-Class hydrofoils served primarily in the Cold War, conducting patrols, interdiction missions, and anti-surface warfare. Their speed and agility allowed them to perform quick strikes and evasive maneuvers, crucial for the strategic needs of the time. However, by the early 1990s, the Pegasus-Class hydrofoils were decommissioned. Despite their innovative design and capabilities, the high maintenance costs and shifts in naval strategy led to their retirement from active service. Today, the Pegasus-Class hydrofoils are remembered as a bold and innovative chapter in naval history. Their legacy continues to influence modern naval design and strategy, showcasing the potential of speed and agility on the high seas. The Pegasus-Class hydrofoils, fast, agile, and ahead of their time.